In Ampang Jaya, this one particular society which helps the animals and gives shelter to the unwanted cats and dogs existed. It is called the SPCA, a Society for the Prevention of Cruelty to Animals. Our arrivals excite the dogs inside. They were curious to know who their visitors for the day. They were being friendly and happy in having us to become their visitors. The SPCA prepares some food for the cats outside. These are all the cats that don't get any adoption. The SPCA don't have enough room for them, thus they were put outside of SPCA.
Salahku telah tinggalkanmu.
Well, why I'm here basically because I love animal. And SPCA, we started with 1 dog and 2 staff. Initially in 1958, that's when we are founded. But now I'm sure you have gone around, have a look. We have more than 300 animals that we can keep at one moment. But the amount that we're receiving, you can have a look at our statistic. At one point at that time when I joined SPCA, we used to receive 1,000 animal a month. But we have cut down the population by education, neutering their pets. All these do help. But still we are having a heavy challenge in finding home for the animals.
Every day, starting from 8 AM, the cleaning and feeding process will begin. All of these dogs and cats will have their meal and get a bath. There are many volunteers and people who come to help and to adopt the animals every Sunday. All the dogs and cats here have been vaccinated and make sure to be healthy before they can be adopted.
Yeah, you know the dogs, they eat their food, all those dishes, we were washing that. I don't know, it's a nice place. Everyone's friendly and the dogs are friendly as well. Normally you don't encounter such a friendly dog that, you know, they're just like roaming around, they'll come and attack you. But this is the first time I'm actually experiencing dogs just doing nothing to you.
However, the amount of people who came to adopt are still not enough. Sadly, most of people who came to SPCA only search for the good breed cats or dogs. They don't want to look at the local one. Every month, the SPCA needs to make almost 500 to 600 animals to sleep. Plus, nowadays, animal cruelty is a big issue. We can help these animals by educating people to stop animal cruelty and make more adoption to give home to them. SPCA is the only shelter and they are having a very limited space. Even they have to put the animals to sleep. This is the best choice other than letting them astray and die on the road.
Please come and adopt. Because when you adopt from us, you are giving one life a day. Makes me happy. Makes all of us happy.